In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update your Shopify store URL. Whether you're rebranding, diversifying your product lines, or just ready for a fresh look. Updating your store's URL is a crucial step in maintaining consistency and professionalism online. Let's break down the process into manageable, straightforward steps so you can get your new domain up and running without a hitch. First things first, to change your store URL, you'll need to work with your domain settings. This is key if you've already got a custom domain or are thinking about getting one. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin and look for the Settings option. Once there, select the Domain section. This is your control center for everything related to your online address. If you already have a custom domain, you'll need to ensure it's properly connected. Perhaps you've purchased this domain from Shopify or brought it from another provider. Either way, you should see it listed there. If you don't own one yet, don't worry. Shopify offers an easy buying process directly from this area, or you can secure one from an external domain provider if you prefer. After acquiring your domain, make sure it's connected. You'll know it's fully integrated when you see the status labeled as connected. This tells you everything's set up correctly and ready to proceed. Assuming everything checks out, you're now at the exciting part of the process, setting your domain as the primary one for your Shopify store. On the Domains page, find your newly connected domain and select it. You'll then see an option to change the domain type or set it as your primary domain. Click this, and by doing so, you're making this custom domain the main URL for your store, replacing the old one. Once you've designated the new primary domain, all visitors entering your previous domain will be automatically redirected to this new URL. This seamless transition is incredibly important as it ensures that no potential customers get lost along the way. They'll simply land on the new site without any extra effort on their part, keeping your traffic steady and uninterrupted. And there you have it. A fresh new URL helps reinforce your brand's identity and keeps things polished. Remember this vital step when you're making big changes to your store's appearance or product offerings. Whether you're expanding or simply refreshing, having your desired web address is both a statement of professionalism and a nod to careful planning. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you next time.